So, hello guys, how is everybody? And today we are going to do very exciting. Now, what it is? It is that we are going to downgrade our this Big Sur macOS Big Sur to macOS High Sierra. Before getting on to the topic, I am recommend you to please back up your data because if you do the time machine, then it won't work on the older versions. Okay, so please back up your data manually. Okay, or you can even lose your all the data which is presented in your this laptop. So guys, before we begin, I want to tell you that please have an 16 GB or more pen drive so that our OS can be inside it and we can also run it whenever we want to. Without any delay, let's start our topic. So guys, as you can see that we have literally directly downloaded from the app store, and now we are going to download it, and let's try that it's work or not. Guys, before downloading the macOS High Sierra, I one more time tell you that what are the requirements. First, the most important requirement is your pen drive. It should be of 16 GB or more than it. Okay, and second, you need to back up your data, internal hard drive or SSD, what you have. Okay, so that you does not have any loss of your work. Okay guys, as we can see that there is a little bit problem with that ISO, so we couldn't able to download it may happen with you too. So what we will do is that we are going to now use terminal. Okay guys, now what we will do is that we will open this terminal, and then we are going to paste the code. After pressing the code, we will drag and drop our this pen drive and then press enter. And now we will type our password. Then we will press enter and we will type here Y, because it says that Y for yes. And yeah, please make sure that your pen drive data is backed up. Okay, it is already back up. Okay, so please make sure it, and now the process will begin. Now guys, as you can see that our process is fully done, so I one more time remind you that please make sure that you had back up your whole data of this your disk. Okay, please make sure, because after that when we will install our new High Sierra, then all the data will be erased. Okay, now we will shut down our computer for the further processes. Now guys, as you can see that we are going to turn on our computer. So what we need to do is just press the option key button. Okay, that's all you need to press, the option key button, and press the power button. It will load your chime, that voice of Macintosh. Okay, and after that when it will load, it will show you the option for boot. Okay, so what we will do that we are going to choose install the High Sierra. You can see in the dark. Then what we need to is that we should use our enter button, means arrows button, or use a simple a mouse. Okay, and then just click on it. After clicking on it, little bit later it will show us something. Can also happen with you also. There was some that graphic problem. No problem, it will not harm anything. So guys, as we can see that our computer had loaded the macOS utilities. So now what we will continue. So first we will go to disk utility, continue, and then it will show us this. Okay, in this we will go to the view option here above and click on show all devices. As if you like need to that upgrade or means downgrade to macOS Big Sur, means macOS Big Sur from macOS High Sierra, then you can do what, that click on your official this internal hard drive and then erase it. Now erase it into what? Erase it into my APFS, but I am not going to do. I am going to do it in a separate one. So let's erase it. It is already erased, so I don't need. Now we will go to install macOS and continue. You can see the logo. Continue, agree, agree. Then we can see this much. We'll click on the disk in which we want to install it. It's in here. I need to download it in my OS space. So let's click on install, and it will take little bit time. Don't be afraid for everything, but just what do you need to do is do not turn off your computer or anything can go wrong. Okay, so let me see you after it down. Okay, so guys, as we can see that it is fully loaded. Okay, then we will select like do the all the steps that we need to do.
macOS contains a built-in screenreader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac. If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the escape key.
We will continue, then we will select our Wi-Fi, but let's skip it. We will do it later. Okay, guys, then we have this. We will continue it. Well, don't transfer. Okay, if you want to transfer, you can select it. Agree, full name, you can like put any of the name. Creating your account. Now continue. Now it is setting up our Mac, and then boom. Guys, our macOS High Sierra is loading. Guys, we can remove our pen drive and we can see High Sierra. It will be about this. You can see macOS High Sierra. So guys, thank you. Okay, our downloadation is completed.